ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधेतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
ऐवुन्
ऐवन्
ऋलृक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एयोम्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
न्यामाङ्गणम्
ञामाङ्गणम्
जभै
जभैन्
घटधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडधश्
खफचठथ चटतौ
कफठठ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशतर्
हल्
हल्
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्टौ
पद्मानीयानां खौ
न्यामाङ्गानानां नासिका च
न्यमङ्गणनानां नासिका च
एदैतो कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौ तोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिघता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
भो राम मामुद्धर
भो राम मामुद्धर
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवथ
भवति भवतः भवथ
भवामि भवावः भवामः
भवामि भवावः भवामः
पठति पठतः पठन्ति
पठति पठतः पठन्ति
पठसि पठतः पठथ
पठसि पठतः पठथ
पठामि पठावः पठामः
पठामि पठावः पठामः
Atmanepadi dhatus not required now, we will see later. Karoti kurutaha kurvanti
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
karoshi kurutaha kurutha
करोति कुरुतः कुरुतः
karomi kurvaha kurmaha
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
asti staha santi
अस्ति स्तः
अह सन्ति
asi staha stha
असि स्तः थ
asmi swaha smaha
अस्मि
वः स्मः
Okay, we'll start from the Abhyasa 44. Abhyasaha Chatuschatvarimshat 44 in Sanskritam. Chatuschatvarimshat Chitranusaram Kaha Kim Karoti iti Likantu. Chitra Anusaram in keeping with the Chitra, the picture. Kaha, who, kim, what, karoti, does, who does what, iti, likantu. Now, you will do, Maji, you can start.
Yes, Guruji. Gajaha pipati, vidusakaha hasati, मूषकः गातति, धनिकः
Mushakaha,
मूषकः खादति खादति
khadati,
खादति
not dadi.
खादति खादति
Hmm.
धनिकः यच्छति, वृद्धः गच्छति, महिला गायति, लेखिका लिखति, फलं पतति, भक्तः नमति, अश्वः धावति, मयूरः नृत्यति, बालकः स्नाति.
Yes.
Thank you.
Words are given. Mahila, balakaha, vidushakaha, and the kriyapadams are given. So you have to, with this you have to see. Okay.
Okay.
Next person. So here, these kriyapadams, you remember the meaning of the kriyapadanam, arthajnanam. It's important. Namati, yachati. Yachati means gives. Another word is dadati, nrityati, dances, snati, taking, bathing, taking bath, patati, gachati. All are parasmepadi dhatus. That is why ti is there. Ti, taha, and ti. Like what we chanted now. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. The same way you have to decline. Bhagavachanam also you can try as your homework. For these dhatus, for then the given nouns, you can try Bhagavachanam, Dvivachanam also. Now we will move on. We'll move on to the next exercise. 45. Akanksha ji. Kartr Kriya Prayogaha. Okay, let me explain what is that. Kartar Kriya Prayogaha. Kriya Prayoga is usage of the Kriya, Kriya Padam, or the verbal form, and it denotes the Karta. Therefore, it is all the sentences, even this the previous one as well as this one, all are active voice sentences. Like Mahila Namati, Balakaha Yachati, all these are active voice. That is why Kartar. The Kriya Padam denotes the Karta. When you say, for example, Gajaha Pibati, Pibati is the Kriya Padam, drinks. Now the question you have to ask, who drinks? Pibati, the action is done by a person, that person or maybe a thing, whatever maybe, it is called the subject or the agent. In English, the subject or agent of action. If the subject changes into Bhivachanam or Bhagavachanam, accordingly the Vachanam of the Kriyapadam changes. So, the Vachanam of the Kriyapadam, the Vachanam of the noun, the Vachanam of the noun determines the Vachanam of the Kriyapadam. So, and therefore, Kriyapadam denotes the Karta. And also, Kriyapadam gives a lot of information. We will see that later. Kriyapadam tells you what tense is that, whether it is present tense or past tense or future tense. In Sanskritam, we have tenses and moods. There are about 10 things are that. 10 we call it as lakara. 10 lakaras are the tenses and moods. What we are learning is only present tense. Past tense is there, remote past is there, and yesterday's past is there. Similarly, future tense, today's future, tomorrow's future. Then we have moods like the command, the agnya, or the request or conditional, like that. Different tenses and moods are there. What we are seeing is only present tense. So the present tense is known only from the Kriya Padam. The Kriya Padam only gives the knowledge of the tense. The Kriya Padam gives the knowledge of the agent. The Kriya Padam, suppose if it is passive voice, you will see later. In passive voice, karma will be in Pratama Vibhakti. In active voice, Kartari Prayoga, Karta will be in Pratama Vibhakti. Vibhakti Kriya Padam. And the agent of the action will be in Pratama Vibhakti. And the Vachanam, of course, has to match the Vachanam of the noun and the Vachanam of the Kriya Padam. The Vachanam of the agent and the Vachanam of the Kriya Padam has to match. And the Karta, which is denoted by, which is indicated by, which is pointed by the Kriya Padam, has to be in Pratama Vibhakti. You cannot say Gajena Pibati, Gajam Pibati, you cannot say Gajaha only. So, since the Kriya Padam denotes the Karta, that which is denoted has to be in Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, you have to, in the sentence, you have to see which is in Pratama Vibhakti. If the agent is in Pratama Vibhakti, then it is Kartari Prayoga. That is what is given, Kartri Prayogaha. If the agent is in Pratama Vibhakti, then it is Kartari Prayoga. If the agent is in Tritiya Vibhakti, then it is Karmani Prayoga. That we will see later, not now, long way to go. So that is what is here said. Kartri Kriya Prayogaha. The agent, the subject of the sentence in Pratama Vibhakti. So that is called Kartari Prayoga. The Kartari Prayoga is known only from the Kriya Padam, because the Kriya Padam denotes the Karta. So you have to see the Karta and what Vibhakti. If it is in Pratama Vibhakti, Kartari Prayoga. Okay. Understand?
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
Yes.
Guruji.
In English also, in English it is, we don't, the noun doesn't undergo any change. You don't see the change in the noun physically, but in Sanskritam you see. Like Rama is there, Rama become Ramaha Ramo Ramaha, Ramam Ramo Raman, Ramena Ramabhyam. It is the noun undergoes different changes. It means all the prepositions are built or added in the noun itself. In English, it is not like that. Prepositions are separate from the noun. Therefore, you don't see any visible change in the noun. But in Sanskritam, you can see the change in the noun, the form, change in the forms of the noun. Rama eats or Rama sings. That is Rama sings. Rama sings a song. A song is sung by Rama. This is passive voice. Active voice is Rama sings a song. Sings is a Kriya Padam. Who sings? Rama sings. The active voice, who sings? Rama sings. What does he sing? He sings a song. In passive voice, a song is sung by Rama. Now, the Kriya Padam is sung. Now, what you have to ask is, what is sung? Song is sung. The song in that it will, in Sanskritam it will be in Pratama Vibhakti. Sung by whom? That is by Rama. That is in Tritiya Vibhakti. That is passive voice. In English, you don't see that. A song is there by Rama, is there, Rama song, the same form. Whereas in Sanskritam, the Vibhakti, that preposition, which are added to the Pratipadikam, that makes into a Tritiya Vibhakti or what are the Vibhakti. So in passive voice, you will see the karta in tritiya vibhakti. In active voice, the karta, the agent, the subject will be in prathama vibhakti. In English, you don't see the visible change in the noun, whereas in Sanskritam it is seen, because in Sanskritam all the nouns are declined. It means the prepositions are added to the nouns. That's why you see the differences. Okay, this is only an introduction. We will see more on that later. Now, the next person, Akanksha ji, please continue. Here you can see the, okay, the nouns are not given. I think you have to.
Yes, Guru. Sadhuhu likhati.
Pathati or okay, likati, fine.
Vidushakah hasati. Chhatra likhati. Brahmanah vadati.
Brahmanaha is
Sorry.
doing prayer. Right?
Archati. Archati.
Okay.
Sarameyah.
Sara?
Meyah.
Sarameyaha.
Vukkati.
Bukkati, barking. Sarameyaha or Kukuraha.
Simhaha.
Shunaha.
Garja.
Okay.
Balaka.
Please continue.
Kicks. Guruji, what is kick called?
No, not kick. Just say, you can say
Kridati.
Kridati.
Okay. Balakah kridati. Dhanikah dadati. Balah tarati. Bidalah pibati. Again, Kukkurah pashyati.
Pashyati or Tishtati. Yes.
Grihini pachati. Chhatrah gachati.
Grihini Pachati. Okay. Yeah.
Pachati. Chhatrah gachati. Ashvah dhavati. Chhatrah pathati. Ramah khadati. Sah gayati. Sa nrityati. Balakah
Washes. Shalayati. Ksha.
or prakshalayati.
Yes.
Yes. Vruddha pashyati.
Okay. Next person. Vartamana kale prathama purushe vachanatrayam. Vartamana kale. It is present tense. Prathama purushe, third person in English. Prathama purusha means third person. Vachanatrayam, 3 vachanams are given. Now, Vartamana kale, that is also like Rama Shabda. Rama Shabda, we know, Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Rama Shabdaha. So like that, Vartamana kala, if you decline, Saptami will be Vartamana kale. Prathama Purusha, Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Prathama Purusha Shabdaha, like Rama Shabda. Rama Shabdavat Bhavati. Tasya Saptame Vivakti Rupam Prathama Purushe. 7th case, Ekvachanam is Prathama Purushe. Vachanatrayam, Pratipadikam is Vachanatraya, like Pala Shabda. Even you have to mark the vibhakti of the words in a sentence. Here, Vartamana Kale, Saptami 7-1, Prathama Purushe, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam 1-1, Vachanatrayam, that is also 1-1. In present tense, that is the third person in present tense, there three vachanams are given below. Given below, not there. I'm just saying all these are given here. You can see. Dhyanena patantu. Dhyana is a pratipadika. Tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam dhyanena patantu. Prathama purusha bhagavachanam patantu. That is a command or prarthana. It's another form of the tenses and moods I said. It's one form among them. Dhyanena patantu. So when you read a Vakya, first see the Kriya Padam and the subject, then mark the Vibhaktis, then other words you see what Vibhakti. First you have to mark the Vibhaktis. That you can practice. Here in all the exercise what we're doing, all these are simple sentences. Only one, the word is there, that is the agent is there, Kriya Padam is there. Kriya Padam has to be there, then only it is a Vakyam. Then only it is a sentence. So Kriya Padam is there and the Karta is there. No other words are there. No karma, no karana, no karma, no object of action, and no karana, no sampradana. Other words are not there. If it is there, you have to mark the vibhakti, the vachanam. First you have to identify whether it is a noun or a verb. Verb means mark the purusha, mark the vachanam. If it is a noun, mark the vibhakti and the vachanam. All these are the practice. In the beginning, you have to itself from beginning onwards, we have to do it. You will see more and more words will be there in a sentence when I introduce other vibhaktis and karaka. Okay, now dhyanena patantu. Read carefully. Yajnapriyaji, you can read.
Tishtati, uttishtatah, uttishtanti.
The
Namat-
Kriya Padam is tishtati only. Ut is the prefix. Like in English, we have prefix. Similarly, Sanskritam also, we have prefix. Prefix can modify, can change, can intensify, can give sometimes even opposite meaning of the Kriya Padam. Tishtati means that stands. Uttishtati means gets up. The meaning changes. Avatishtati means understands. You see, by having the prefixes, different meanings are possible. Sometimes the meaning also remains same, doesn't change. Meaning remain same. Okay. These are called prefixes in English, and Sanskritam it is called upasarga. Ut is upasarga. The word Upanishad, Upa and Ni, these are prefixes, upasargas. Prakshalayati, pra is upasarga. Agachati, a is upasarga. Gachati goes, agachati changes the meaning. Going becomes coming. Okay, please read.
Namati, namataha, namanti, gachati, gachataha, gachanti, brahmati, brahmataha, brahmanti.
Continue. 46. Trishu vachaneshu kartrikriya lekhanam. What does it mean? Trishu vachaneshu kartrikriya lekhanam.
Three vachanams.
What is Trishu? What vibhakti is that? Trishu
Sapta.
Saptami vibhakti ekavachanam. Sorry, Bhagavachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Saptami vibhakti Bhagavachanam. You remember Rama Shabda?
Yes.
Where you say Rameshu. You remember Pala Shabda? Paleshu Saptami vibhakti Bhagavachanam. I taught you Rama Shabda, right? Rama Shabda, Pala Shabda.
Yes.
All the vibhaktis and vachanam.
Yes.
Okay. Please At least Rama Shabda, Pala
Mm.
Shabda, you can memorize and keep it ready. It will be useful when we analyze the Vakyam. Okay, you can repeat now, all of you. Then we will continue the exercise. This is your homework for this week. Please commit to memory the Rama Shabda, important Shabda. Akarantah Pullingah Rama Shabdah.
Akarantah Pullingah Rama Shabdah.
See, Ramaha, small letter I have written 1 1. That 1 is, the numerator is Vibhakti. The denominator is Vachanam. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam 1 1. This is for our understanding. We have marked like this. So that in the sentence, first we have to see the Kriya Padam and the agent has to be there. It has to be in Pratama Vibhakti. So you have to see the words in the sentence, which is in Pratama Vibhakti. Mark it as 1. And in keeping with the Vachanam of the Kriya Padam. That is the Karta or the subject. Now, once you pick up Karta, other words you have to mark it and understand. Okay. So I mark 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. You can see. Ramaha Ramau Ramaha.
Ramah Ramau Rama.
Ramam Ramau Raman.
Ramam Ramau Raman.
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi.
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi.
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha.
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah.
Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha.
Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah.
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam.
Ramya Ramayo Ramam.
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
Rame Ramayo Rameshu.
He Rama, He Ramo, He Rama.
He Rama He Rama He Rama.
This is Pullinga Akaranta Shabda. Similarly, Napumsakalinga Akaranta Shabda. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Phala Shabdaha.
Akarantah Napumsakalingah Phala Shabdah.
Phalam Phale Phalani.
Phalam Phale Phalani.
That is Pratama Vibhakti. Dvitiya also same. Phalam Phale Phalani.
Phalam Phale Phalani.
So the forms are same. So depending on the context, you have to make out. You have to find out which is whether it is Pratama or Dvitiya. If it is subject, it will be in Pratama. If it is object, then it will be Dvitiya. In Kartari Prayoga, that is active voice. Ramaha phalam khadati. Kaha khadati? Ramaha. Ramaha will be in Pratama Vibhakti, is a subject. What does he eat? Phalam, that is karma. That will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Phalam is now in the sentence, it is 2-1. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Don't say 1-1 because 1-1 is Rama, is the agent. So phalam must be the object. So depending on the sentence. Phalam patati, we say. Phalam patati. Patati is false. What false? Fruit false. What vibhakti fruit is? Pratama vibhakti. Right? So depending on the context. फलेन फलाभ्यां फलैः
फलेन फलाभ्यां फलैः
फलाय फलाभ्यां फलेभ्यः
फलाय फलाभ्यां फलेभ्यः
फलात् फलाभ्यां फलेभ्यः
फलात् फलाभ्यां फलेभ्यः
फलस्य फलयोः फलानां
फलस्य फलयोः फलानां
फले फलयोः फलेषु
फले फलयोः फलेषु
हे फल हे फले हे फलानि
हे फले हे फलानि.
So now in the sentence Trishu Vachaneshu, it is Paleshu. It's on of 7-3 Saptami Vibhakti Bhaguvachanam. Kartar Kriya Lekhanam. Lekhanam is writing. Writing the Karta Kriya in 3 Vachanam. In all the 3 numbers, singular, dual and plural. Trishu Vachaneshu. Udaharananurupam Riktastani Purayantu. In keeping with the Udaharanam example. Riktastanani Purayantu. Riktastana already I told. Riktastana is like Palashabda. Purayantu means you all. So you all is the Karta. That is not there, we have to supply. So Riktastan is Dvitiya Vibhakti because it is the object. Purayantu. Okay. Now you can read.
सिंहः गर्जति
Kim karoti?
सिंहः
Simha garjati, you have to say. Kim karoti means what does he? That he is not there, you have to supply. Kim karoti? What does he do? Because karoti, okay, karoti is what Purusha?
Prathama.
Therefore it represents you or me. Third person, neither you nor me, somebody else. Therefore, what does he do? The translation is, what does he do? Kim karoti? Simha kim karoti? Simha garjati. Here from the Vakya, from the answer, to take the subject. Saha kim karoti? That is what it means. That is, Saha is to be supplied. Saha or I am, whatever may be. Saha kim karoti? Kaha? Simha. Simha garjati. Similarly, kim kurtaha? Tau kim kurtaha? Tau means simhau. In the answer, simhau garjataha. Then kim kurvanti? Te kim kurvanti? It could be sagataute or satetaha or whatever it may be. Te kim kurvanti? Te is simhaha. Simhaha garjanti. Right? In the same way you have to do. Please do. Mrigaha, number 2.
Asking the question, I should answer, isn't it? Kim karoti?
It's okay. That's for understanding. I explained that. You can read. That's enough.
Mrigaha davati, mrigau davataha, mrigaha davanti, mushakaha khadati, mushakau khadataha, mushakaha khadanti, bidalaha no jila only is there. Right. Sorry. Bidalaha pibati, bidalau pibataha, bidalaha pibanti. Pikaha कूजति पिकौ कूजतः पिकाः कूजन्ति शुकः कूजति शुकौ कूजतः शुकाः कूजन्ति मयूरः नृत्यति मयूरौ नृत्यतः मयूराः नृत्यन्ति कृषकः कर्षति कृषकौ कर्षतः कृषकाः कर्षन्ति सैनिकः रक्षति सैनिकौ रक्षतः सैनिकाः रक्षन्ति वानरः आरोहति वानरौ आरोहत वानराः आरोहन्ति अजा चरति अजे चरतः अजाः चरन्ति बाला वदति बाले वदन्ति
बाले
बाले
वदतः
बालाः वदन्ति महिला गायति महिले गायतः महिलाः गायन्ति अम्बा पचति अम्बे पचतः अम्बाः पचन्ति पुष्पं विकसति पुष्पे विकसतः पुष्पाणि विकसन्ति छात्रः तिष्ठति छात्रौ तिष्ठतः छात्राः तिष्ठन्ति फलं पतति फले पततः फलानि पतन्ति वाहनं चलति वाहने चलतः वाहनानि चलन्ति बालः हसति बालौ हसतः बालाः हसन्ति वृद्धः पश्यति वृद्धौ पश्यतः वृद्धाः पश्यन्ति
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 next one
Guruji, what does kujati mean?
cackling cackle shukaha pikaha kujati shukaha is parrot pikaha is cuckoo kujanti rama rameti maduram maduraksha that is kujati means cackling sound.
Okay, thank you.
Next one
What did you
abhyasa
say for Pujati? What? Pujati means what?
cackle, the sound made by the parrots and the pika, the cuckoos. Cackling sound. CACKLE. You can see the dictionary. Abhyasaha 47. Vartamana kale pratama purushe kriya lekhanam. Yathochitani rupani riktastaneshu likhantu. Uchita rupmani. Apt, suitable form. You fill these blanks with the suitable form. Okay. Now next person. Parulji, please read.
Yes, sir. Yes, Guru. Pibati, pibataha, pibanti. Khadati, khadataha, khadanti. Dhavati, dhavataha, dhavanti. Jigrati, jigrataha, jigranti.
What does it mean? Jigrati.
Fast,
Huh?
fast.
What did you say?
Walk. Running fast, jigrati.
No. Jigrati means smells. Smelling.
Smelling. Okay. Wait, I will write it. Jigrati, smells. Okay. Then pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti. नमति, नमतः, नमन्ति, गच्छति, गच्छतय, गच्छन्ति,
Gachatah.
गच्छतः, गच्छन्ति, रट्टनि, रटति, रटन्ति is बहुवचनम.
What is the word?
So,
I can read again.
Ratanti.
Ratanti. Yes.
Ratanti. So first ekvachanam will be ratani, ratati, ratati, ratatayah, ratatah, ratanti. Arohati, arohatah, arohanti. Archati, archatah, archanti. Rakshati, rakshatah, rakshanti. Gayati, gayatah, gayanti. Vikasti,
Vikasati.
vikasti,
Vikasati.
vikasti,
Vikasati.
vikasati, vikasatah, vikasanti,
Vikasanti.
vikasanti.
Blossoms. Vikasati is bloom. Blossoms.
Blossom.
Pushpa. Pushpam vikasati. Pushpani vikasanti. Mukham vikasati. Face blooms. Okay, read further.
Chalati, chalatah, chalanti. Hasti, hastah,
Not asti. Hasati.
hasati, hasatah, hasanti. Snanti,
Snati.
snati, snatah, snati,
Snanti.
snanti, snanti.
Next person, Deepika ji. Please read. Deepika ji, are you there? Okay, she has some problem, I think. Back to Umaji, you can read.
Yes, Guruji.
If Deepika ji join, if she can read, better read. Otherwise,
Okay.
you can read.
Okay.
Deepika
Yes.
ji, can you read?
Yeah. Can you listen me, Guruji,
Yes.
now?
Yeah, why
Yes.
are you going back and going
I
out
don't
and coming?
just my net problem is there, I think.
Please
Okay.
read.
उदाहरणानुरूपं रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयन्तु क्रियाप्रयोगाः हरिणौ धावति
Harino
वानर
Dhavati.
sorry धावन्ति हरिणौ धावन्ति
Harino
Wa-
Dhavanti.
धावति तः अन्त
Dhavatah.
two, it is two, sorry हरिणौ धावतः वानरौ आरोहतः बालकौ चलतः बालौ तिष्ठतः बालिका लिखतः
Likataha. How many people are there?
one बालिका लिखति रुग्णः
Upavishati.
अच्छा he is sitting like उपविशति बालकौ क्रीडतः छात्रौ नमतः बालिका गायति फले पततः तरुणौ खादतः कृषकः
Karshati means
कर्षति
close.
yes
Krishakaha farmer.
right पुष्पाणि blooms એટલે just now you have said
You can see the column below. There you find out from what is the verb.
Okay. It's a Vikasanti.
Hmm.
Pushpani Vikasanti. Dhanikaha Yachati. Sihau Garjataha.
Hmm.
Tarunaha Taranti.
Taranti, swims across over.
Yes.
Next person. Umaji. Vachananugulam Kartru Kriya Lekhanam. Chitram Drishtva Kartru Padasya Kriya Padasya Chauchitam Vachanam Likhantu. Kartru Padam is the Padam which is represents or which is the Karta, the subject. Kriya Padam is verb.
Okay.
Yes.
बालकौ पठतः बालकौ लिखतः भक्तौ अर्चतः गायकः गायति बालकाः खादन्ति
Balakaha.
खादन्ति
Hmm.
बालकाः क्रीडन्ति छात्रः आरोहति बालकः तरति तरुणौ धावतः यात्रिकः पिबति बालकः नमति नृपः यच्छति.
Next person. Abhyasa 50. Akanksha, you can read. Pratama Purushasya Pullingena Katr Padena Saha Vartamana Kale Kriya Prayogaha. So Pratama Purusha, that is first person, in Pullinga, along with the Kartrupada, Kartrupadena Saha Vartamana Kale, in present tense, the usage of the Kriya Padam. Udaharananusaram Vakyani Likantu. Please read.
जी गुरुजी. एषः मयूरः अस्ति.
Mayuraha Nrityati. That also you can read.
मयूरः नृत्यति.
Together, yes.
Sorry गुरुजी. एतौ मयूरौ स्तः. मयूरौ नृत्यतः. एते मयूराः सन्ति. मयूराः नृत्यन्ति.
So you understand, right?
Yes गुरुजी.
This is a peacock. Peacock dances. In all the Vachanam it is given.
Okay.
Yes, please read.
एषः वानरः अस्ति. वानरः आरोहति. एतौ वानरौ स्तः. वानरौ आरोहतः. एते वानराः सन्ति. वानराः आरोहन्ति. एषः हंसः अस्ति. हंसः तरति. एतौ हंसौ स्तः. हंसौ तरतः. एते हंसाः सन्ति. हंसाः तरन्ति. एषः सिंहः अस्ति. सिंहः गर्जति. एतौ सिंहौ स्तः. सिंहौ गर्जतः. एते सिंहाः सन्ति. सिंहाः गर्जन्ति. एषः भक्तः अस्ति. भक्तः भजति. एतौ भक्तौ स्तः. भक्तौ भजतः. एते भक्ताः सन्ति. भक्ताः भजन्ति. एषः छात्रः अस्ति. छात्रः पठति. एतौ छात्रौ स्तः. छात्रौ पठतः. एते छात्राः सन्ति. छात्राः पठन्ति.
Very good. I hope all of you understand this.
Yes, Guruji.
taking one example. Eshah Chatraha Asti. Asti the Kriya Padam. It means is, being. Kaha Asti, Chatraha Asti. So Chatraha is Pratama Purusha. It is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Asti is Pratama Purusha and it is Ekavachanam. And Chatraha Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It has got one adjectival pronoun, Yeshaha. That also has to be in Pratama Vibhakti because you are referring to a student, only one student. Therefore, it has to be Ekavachanam. And it has to be Pullinga only because Chatra is Pullinga. Therefore, Yeshaha. You should not say Yesha. So, Yeshaha, Chatraha, both are of the same Linga, same Vachanam, same Vibhakti. Therefore, the relation between the two is adjective substantive relationship. And Asti, the Kriya Padam, has to match with the noun. Okay, the next one. Yajnapriyaji. Abhyasaha 51. Pratama Purushasya. Now Strilinga. Now you have to remember Strilinga Shabda. Strilingena Kartrupadena Vartamana Kale Kriya Prayogaha. Please read. Remember Strilinga you are doing.
एषा बालिका अस्ति बालिका पश्यति एते बालिके स्तः बालिके पश्यतः एताः बालिकाः सन्ति बालिकाः पश्यन्ति एषा वृद्धा अस्ति वृद्धा अर्चति एते वृद्धे स्तः वृद्धे अर्चतः एताः वृद्धाः अस्ति
Santi.
सन्ति sorry जी सन्ति वृद्धाः अर्चन्ति एषा कलिका अस्ति कलिका विकसति
Kalika is bud. B-U-D.
Bud.
but
Vikasati, that is why blooms.
right
Blooms.
विकसति एते कलिके स्तः कलिके विकसतः
Vikasataha.
विकसतः एताः कलिकाः सन्ति कलिकाः विकसन्ति एषा महिला अस्ति महिला नृत्यति एते महिले स्तः महिले नृत्यतः एताः महिलाः सन्ति महिलाः नृत्यन्ति नृत्यन्ति एषा लेखिका अस्ति लेखिका लिखति एते लेखिके अस्ति
Taha. Staha.
स्तः एते लेखिके स्तः लेखिके लिखतः एताः लेखिकाः सन्ति लेखिकाः लिखन्ति एषा छात्रा अस्ति छात्रा गायति एते छात्रे स्तः छात्रे गायतः एताः छात्राः सन्ति छात्राः गायन्ति
When it is Bhagavachanam, it has to be Gayanti. Patati patata. You have to do more abhyasa. Next one. 52. Pratama Purushasya विविधक विविध विविधकर्तृपदैः सह वर्तमानकाले क्रियाप्रयोगाः. Different kartrupadams are there. You will read here Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam. Next person. Who is the next person? Parulji.
Yes, Guruji. एषः सिंहः अस्ति.
Simha Brahmati.
हा, सिंहः भ्रमति. एषो,
Not Esho. There is no word Esho.
एतो, एतो, एतो,
Not Esho. Not it.
एतो,
Eshaha. Eto. Yes. Eto. Yeah.
एतो,
Hmm.
सिंहो,
Staha.
स्तः, एते,
Eti. Eto Simho Staha. Right?
हाँ, that is a द्विवचनम. Now
Yes.
बहुवचनम.
Now,
Ete.
the next sentence also you can do together. Simha
sorry,
Brahmati is there.
हाँ, सिंहो भ्रमतः.
Hmm.
Then एते सिंहा
Simhaha.
सिंहाः सन्ति. सिंहा
Simhaha. Don't drop the visarga.
सिंहाः अन्ति. भ्रमति. भ्रमन्ति.
Brahmanti.
एते पुष्पम् अस्ति. पुष्पं विकसति.
Vikasati.
विकसति. एते पुष्पं फले फलानि. एते पुष्पे स्तः. पुष्पं विकसति. पुष्पं. So it will be पुष्पे विकसतः.
Pushpe
एतानि
vikasataha.
विकसतः. एतानि पुष्पाणि सन्ति. पुष्पाणि विकसन्ति.
Vikasanti, right.
Yeah. एषः वृक्षः अस्ति. वृक्षः फलति. एषो
Etau.
एतो वृक्षो स्तः. वृक्षो फलतः. एतो वृक्षाः
Not
सन्ति.
etau. Ete.
एते वृक्षाः सन्ति. वृक्षाः फलन्ति. एतत् मित्रम् अस्ति. एते मित्रे.
Mitram asti. Mitram prasidati.
मित्रं प्रसीदति.
Sits.
एते मित्रे स्तः. मित्रे प्रसीदतः. एतानि मित्राणि
Santi.
and mitrani prasidanti.
Prasidanti is either it can be Sidati means sits, or
And
Prasidati could be he says is pleased. Prasidati. Friend is
means
pleased
pleased,
or
pleased.
happy, is glad.
happy,
Is
glad.
happy.
Okay,
That is the meaning. Okay.
okay.
Sidati and Prasidati. Sidati means sits. One
Yeah.
meaning is that. Many meanings are the Sidati. One meaning is sits. Prasidati is happy, is glad. That is the meaning. Okay. Continue.
Yes, Guru. I'm just writing Prasidhi. That is.
He is pleased or he is glad. Prasidati. Prasida, Prasida. Prabhu Venkatesha. Be gracious. That is the meaning.
एषः दीपः अस्ति. दीपः ज्वलति. एतौ दीपौ स्तः. एते
Deepo,
दीपा.
Deepo Jwalatah. Quickly, time not there.
Oh, sorry. दीपो ज्वलतः. एतौ
Etaha Deepaha Santi. Sorry, not Etaha. I'm actually making mistake. Esha, Ete Deepaha Santi. Deepaha Jwalanti. You have to read quickly.
Yes, sir. Ete, where is it? Deepaha Santi. Then Deepaha Jwalas.
Deepaha Jwalanti. Read the next one.
Deepaha Jwalanti. Esha Sarika Asti. Sarika Upavishati. Ete Sarike स्तः. सारिके उपविशतः. एताः सारिकाः सन्ति. सारिकाः उपविशन्ति. एषा गृहिणी अस्ति. गृहिणी पचति. एते गृहिणे
स्तः. Sorry, Grihini is there, not Grihini. I'm also what you say. Ete Grihinyau Nadi Shabdavat Ikarantaha Strilingaha
Nadi.
Nadyau.
Nadyaः.
Ete Grihinyau Staha. Then Grihinyau Pachataha.
गृहिण्यो पचतः.
Bahuvachanam is
एताः गृहिण्यः
Santi.
सन्ति. गृहिण्यो
Grihinyaha Pachanti.
पचन्ति. एतत् यानम् अस्ति. यानं चलति. एते यानं मे.
Yane. Ete Yane Staha.
याने
Chalataha.
याने चलतः. And एतानि यानानि सन्ति. यानानि चलन्ति.
To practice.
Yes, sir. Pronunciation practice.
Next exercise about the agam and tvam. That is second person and first person. I think we will do this next class. Okay, time not there now. So we stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी.
Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी.